In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make multiple objects evenly spaced in Canva. So there are two methods you can try to make your design that involves multiple elements to look nice, tidy, and pretty. So let's get started. I have this template, and as you can see, this is just a simple list, but the last item is not exactly where it should be. So I want to put this to the correct position. Now I'm going to select these items. They're actually the same element. Sorry, they are a group of that contains multiple elements. And then I'm going to move them. Okay. As you can see, there is some guidance that Canva offers, and you can actually just follow that through. It's going to make it easy to place the element to the correct position. Now, as you can see, this is actually, you probably see the number 22. That is the gap between one element or another. That is the gap of other elements that's similar to the one that I'm working on. So it is very useful to make sure that your document or the item that you are repositioning will have the same distance with the other previous elements. And as you can see, there is also a guidance to make sure that I'm putting this item exactly in the center. And when you're done, you can release the click, and now we got this. It looks nice, it looks pretty, and this is exactly how it should look like. But of course, there is another element that I think is pretty good if you really just want to handle multiple elements that are not evenly spaced and you want to make them to evenly spaced in just one click. Okay, now I'm going to select all the elements that are going to be involved, and after that go to position, and on the space evenly you want to click tidy up, and there you go. Now automatically Canva will adjust the position of all other elements and will make sure that everything will look like will look consistent and will look nice. So that's basically it. That's the two methods you can try to evenly space objects in Canva. If you find this video to be useful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you on the next video.